Here we are at the apartment in the building. There's the wife! Checking out how we get to the expo, Colosseum. Quite a nice little apartment we got in Rome. I'll go to the Colosseum, get my number, go from there. Expo, what did I say?
Colosseum.
Oh, Colosseum to get my number.
Da lì tu senti proprio caldo.
That's not me breathing, by the way. Stretching.
Looks a bit like a glass one. Want it to roll over again, that's awesome. New video.
Yeah. I want to stroke it, but I know it's all over.
Do you reckon it would be alright if I stroked it?
You can go and head it if you want, I'll record you. Yeah, you go for it. Go forward.
Un bacio a mezzanotte. Ti fidare d'un bacio a mezzanotte. Ti fidare d'un bacio a mezzanotte. Ti fidare d'un bacio a mezzanotte. Se c'è la luna non ti fidare.
Difficilissimo, soprattutto quando i bicchieri o sono troppo piccoli o troppo grandi, o ancora peggio quando stai andando veloce, perché io che facevo distanze più brevi, tra virgolette, ma comunque era impossibile, vedi sto bicchiere, pum! Dici, mio Dio, adesso poi faccio altri 5 km.
Se c'è la luna non ti fidare.
D-Day. Walking towards the Coliseum for the marathon. Lots of orange bags from the expo yesterday. So I'm headed in the right direction. The knee is not looking great. More on that in a minute.
10 minuti a piedi, grazie. Alla che mani.
Okay, so we are at the baggage check. All the lorries down here. I haven't brought a bag because my accommodation's close enough not to worry about it. So we can bring that later. So where are we? How's the prep been? Pretty shit. Okay, so for those that know me, my ligaments went early February, so I've in my left knee, medial ligaments. So I've literally done 3 runs since early February, very slowly. 2 of those my knee held out, and on the 3rd one, on Monday just gone, before I came here, which was meant to be a little 6-mile confidence booster, my knee buckled again. So we're back to square one. So I'm quite heavily strapped. I'm in constant pain. It feels like bone rubbing on bone. But there we are. So if I was sensible, and if this was in the UK, I'd be pulling out, because I still have quite a few races to go where I could do myself some serious damage. However, best laid plans and all, when in Rome, do the silly thing. So I am going to try and run it. However, I don't think I've ever been on the start line to a race of this magnitude with physical pain and a genuine, quite serious injury, which I need a few more months to recover from. So there we go. It is what it is. The PB is gone. Just getting round at this stage would be nice. Even that, I'm not sure if I can manage right now. So yeah, we'll see how we go. I've taken loads of ibuprofen, paracetamol, strapped the knee, and going to be on the start line, hoping for a miracle basically. But if I could get round, even if it's slowly, I'd be really, really pleased. It's weather's turned out right so far. It was meant to be pissing it down all weekend, but got here yesterday, it was really warm. I've walked down to the start line in t-shirt and shorts this morning. Feels all right, a little bit chilly, but it's all right. And heading towards the Coliseum now for the start. Wish me luck. Portaloo Alley. They keep shouting through the megaphones to hurry up and get to the start line. So I think I'm headed in the right direction anyway. Start line.
I think you can walk all the way up to the start, but you go walk up the park. So you'll get some.
Se c'è la luna non ti fidare.
edizione mondiale. Saluto anche Carlo, Mark che vedo lì in fondo. Good morning, we are here. Mancano ormai 40 minuti alla partenza e noi lasciamo la linea qui dalla linea del traguardo e passiamo il microfono e soprattutto lo spazio. All fast!
Run the marathon. With the hands, Rome!
Stadio Flaminio, home of Italian rugby. Yes. Brutal. Rugby fans. There you go. Say hello, Jeannie. We're nearly there. We're nearly there.
Thank you.
Done very well.
Where are you from?
UK.
Utah.
UK.
On the first street.
Near London.
Oh. I'm from Nevada.
From where?
Nevada.
Nevada. Oh, you're an American.
Yeah.
Ah. Let me guess, this isn't your first rodeo.
I haven't run for about 7 years. I did China, Great Wall of China,
Yeah?
7 years ago. And I haven't been running since then.
So why Rome?
Time?
Why Rome then? Why did you decide to come back? Your comeback in Rome?
Oh, because my daughter was coming to Rome, and I said, I'd like to go see it. Maybe I'll do the race. That's how I got started.
Is she here?
Yeah, but she doesn't know.
Oh, okay. So she's at the finish.
Yeah, she doesn't know. Yeah,
Well, we'll see her in a minute.
yeah.
We'll get there. We'll get there. Well, painful day at the office, and I wasn't going to break any PB, so walking in with Jeannie, and we'll get our medals in a minute. And what a nice leisurely walk in the sun back to the finish.
You go ahead.
No, I'm not. I can't leave. So we're coming into the finish of the Rome Marathon. The old knee wasn't going to give me a PB today, so not exactly a rush to the finish line. And I met this lovely lady from Nevada, Jeannie. Jeannie from Nevada was a little wobbly, so going to walk her into the finish. It's nice walk in the sun in Rome. What more could I want? Great atmosphere. And we'll be there in a minute. Coming into the finish. At least I hope that's the finish. Jeannie and I are about to get our medals. Lovely day in Rome.
La prima volta al mondo Ilenia tenderà una cosa impossibile, un canestro dal palco con una t-shirt di 905 direttamente nello zaino. 3, 2, 1.
Vabbè, poi è uscita, però era entrata, no?
Però lui va bene. Facciamo andare.
Well done, Jeannie. You made it. You're about to get your medal. Well, thank you. Thank you for the pain rain. I don't know what's happened here. Here we go.
Allora, so che vuoi
Jeannie and I made it. We made it.
invidioso. Allora, il secondo esperimento è lo zainetto nello zainetto. Sì, quindi.
Aspetta che gli faccio il modo.
Vai, questo l'ho preso. Richiediamo.
Guarda, Jeannie.
Ecco, guarda, i bambini sono già pronti.
Guarda.
Apro lo zainetto.
Esatto. Allora, questi non sono
see the medical staff?
Un bacio a mezzanotte. Ti fidare d'un 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 bacio a mezzanotte. Se c'è la luna non ti fidare.
It's caught in the crossfire.